Coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Keeping a very close watch on these storms here in the Shoals. Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network still showing some signs that are a little bit concerning when it comes to broad rotation, both in Colbert and in Franklin counties. We have one severe thunderstorm warning for this area, and it does have the mention for that possibility for a tornado. We call it a tortex. That's to say that a tornado is possible within a short amount of time right now, that there's not enough rotation to require a tornado warning. But as we get you a closer view here, there's two areas that I want to point out. Southern central Colbert County, west of Highway 43, north of Russellville. There's some broad rotation showing up there. And then a little bit farther southeast of Highway 43. So this is the area that I'm talking about, right between Russellville and Phil Campbell. And then another one that doesn't look quite as well defined farther north up into Colbert County. So let's go back here, and I want to show you one more time where we've got this very large severe thunderstorm warning that extends from Lauderdale County all the way down into Franklin County. As we go through tonight, these storms are moving pretty quickly towards the east, about 50 miles an hour. So I'm going to take you from west of Florence to put a track on this all the way down into Franklin County and then through the rest of Lauderdale and Lawrence County. So this is going to be into Tuscumbia within a matter of minutes. It's 4:47 right now. 4:51, the arrival in Tuscumbia. Florence, 4:56, Hatton, 5:04, Speake, 5:17, and Trinity by 5:27. And I'll go back to that wind data for you one more time because I do want to check this myself to see exactly where we're seeing that circulation. It's still showing up there just southeast of Russellville. So I'm going to keep a very close eye on that. Meteorologist Rob Elvington doing the same. Here's a wider view, and you will see that we've got one severe thunderstorm warning in northwest Alabama right now, and then a few tornado warnings farther south closer to Meridian and the west central part of Alabama out over into Mississippi still. So this is a very active picture. Once this leading edge here, very intense wind moves through, then it becomes an issue when it comes to flooding. The time being, we still have this tornado watch in effect. The newer additions here go until 11 o'clock. That's Limestone, Morgan, and Cullman counties. Elsewhere farther west, we are looking at until about 7 o'clock this evening for that tornado watch to remain in effect. So as far as Muscle Shoals right now, rain is coming down, visibility reduced because of that. This is the current view on the Way 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam Network wet roads. Kind of an inconvenient time for really heavy rain to be moving through, right? This is the evening commute, so hopefully folks have planned ahead and are where you need to be. This is the view indicator watching those storms roll, and don't see anything like a really well-defined shelf cloud or anything of that nature, but it is becoming increasingly gray and ominous. Here's what we've got for the rest of tonight. As we go through the next several hours, you will see that this heavy rain just continues to trudge eastward, and the rain becomes, I told you, a flooding threat as the night continues. We still have that flood watch that's going to be in effect. I'll show you that in just a second. But look at the widespread heavy rain that we're still dealing with before midnight tonight, all the way into early Wednesday morning. The heaviest stuff finally along the Alabama-Mississippi line by 3 a.m. One little line of showers coming in here along the I-65 corridor. And aside from lingering spotty showers early Wednesday morning, we're done with the rain through tomorrow. And then we've got a mostly cloudy sky and cooler temperatures. Look at where we're seeing the highest rainfall totals expected. This has actually shifted a little bit farther to the east. 2 to 3 inches of rain with locally higher amounts possible. This is the kind of night where at least this rain is rolling through overnight and you can stay put. You don't have to be out on the roads. Hopefully that flood watch lasts until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning for counties along and west of I-65. So when it comes to your Wednesday, yes, the temperatures are still in the 60s initially, but it is going to be cooler as the day goes on and as the week goes on. 60 degrees for Friday, 58 for Saturday. And this is some good news. We get a chance to dry out from all of this potentially flooding rain that we're going to get tonight. I'll have regular radar updates, though, as we still go through the evening.